So every now and then you get to sell or have the opportunity to sell a home that has been lovingly maintained and certainly has a lot of stories. And this large bungalow in Willow Park that I'm going to take you through today and share is no exception to that. I'm walking in here into the front, and let's just start with this tour here. So this bungalow is almost 1,500 square feet. So you can see a fairly large living area here, complete with fireplace, gas assist. Just thinking about how great gatherings would have been here. We're looking at the dining area that blends into the living room. You know, the stories that would have been shared over festive holidays, Christmas and Easter. Next, we're checking out the kitchen here. So bright, south-facing backyard, tons of light coming in. We've got the olive green built-in oven here, you know, complete. Dials are working. We've got the Genair high-end griddle and burners. If you can imagine how many pancakes were cooked and served up here on Saturday mornings, doing dishes, looking outside, watching the kids play. We've got an additional family room here with mosaic linoleum here, large windows that were to continue to enjoy the sunshine, which is ever important in the winter time. I'm now going to take you down the slumber quarters here, and we'll start with the ensuite, or pardon me, the primary bedroom. So here we have a primary bedroom here. It's fairly decent size. It's got his and her closets, and we have measurements over 13 by almost 11 here. So decent sized room. Also looking out into the backyard, we've got a 4-piece ensuite here. If you're listening, I'm walking on the narrow slat oak hardwood here, which is fantastic. Not only is this a testament to this home, there's no creaks really, and the hardwood is in fantastic shape. So there's the first bedroom there. Here's the second bedroom. And then we cap off here with a fairly large 4-piece common bathroom. And again, we've got mosaic tiles here in the entry, and again, pristine narrow slat hardwood. So I'm going to take you downstairs and show you the wide open space of this unfinished basement. All right, we're downstairs here in this unfinished basement. It's massive how much span and sprawl there is here. So look, you can see how much expansive space there is down here. Potential to do so much. If you were to move the stairs over and move the mechanical over, how much additional space you could acquire. Amazing. And no tour is complete without the exceptional backyard here. This is a extra large lot here, and it offers a lot. Paved back alley. You can see the garage behind me here. So much on this almost 1,500 square foot bungalow in such an amazing community of Willow Park here. Proximity, the people, proximity to things like Deerfoot, Anderson, walking distance, schools. You've got South Center. You also have Trico. You've got the Fish Creek Library here. If you want a family-orientated neighborhood, if you're a golfer, I think Willow Park is one of the top communities. If you'd like more information on this fantastic opportunity, give us a shout, 403-809-3523. Cheers.